You know, it's crazy. No matter how much memory I put in here, I still have software crashes and freezes, and now I can't get this program to do an import I need to do. Hi everyone, welcome to Pal to Tech. During the past few months, I have been migrating all of my projects over to Notion. For those of you who don't know, Notion is an amazing productivity application that I am finding myself using more and more each day to stay organized. However, as of the date of this video, there is still one major problem with Notion. If you're an Evernote user and you're trying to move all of your content from Evernote over to Notion, Notion will fail to complete the import. For example, I'm trying to move my Pal to Tech notebook that's in Evernote over to Notion. And in my Pal to Tech notebook, I have lots of notes. So I go to Notion, I click on Import, I then choose Evernote, I put in my credentials, and then I'm presented with this screen right here. And as you can see, there are 90 notes that I want to bring over from Evernote into Notion. And I click the Import button. And once I do, this is all I see. It just spins and spins and spins. What I found is that what screws it up the most are notes that contain attachments. So here's how you fix this. The first thing you need to do is find all of your notes that contain attachments. And unfortunately, there's no one search command that can pull up all the notes that contain an attachment. You have to search for them by attachment type, whether you're looking for PDFs, Excel documents, Word documents, and so forth. I will have a list of the common search terms down below that you can copy. And what you can do is take the first part of the query, which is resource::application, right? You see that there? And then put the document type that you find on that web page that I've linked to down below. So once you find those notes with attachments, get them out of the notebook that you're bringing into Notion. You could drag them off the screen, delete the attachments, or move the notes into a separate notebook off to the side that you're not importing into Notion. Then try and run the import process. The second thing you need to do is find all notes that contain web clippings. And the way you do that is you go up to the search bar and you put in source::web.clip, and you will see a list of all of your Evernote notes that were clipped from the web. Drag them out of Evernote onto your desktop, move them into a different notebook in Evernote, one that you create that you will not be planning on importing into Notion. Then if that doesn't work as your final resort, you're going to have to go through the notes one by one and look for any tables. Some tables can be problematic and cause the import process to fail. So again, notes that have attachments, get rid of those first. Notes that have web clippings, get rid of those second, and notes that have tables. And between each one of those, try the import process and you may be good to go. Now, I don't know if this is going to work for everyone out there, but it certainly worked for me after testing and trying to figure out a way to get this to work for almost a month. Notion is really good software, but they dropped the ball on this import. They need to get this thing fixed up. They need better error messages telling you what's wrong. They need better explanation, because you shouldn't have to resort to YouTube videos from people like me, right? I mean, Notion should be telling you this. Photographers, I know this has nothing to do with cameras, sorry, but it kind of has to do with the photography business because you can use Notion to run everything for it. Have a look at Notion. Check it out. I will have a link in the description below. It is not an affiliate link. This video has nothing, it's not sponsored by Notion or anything like that. The software is free to do 90% of what you need to do for your business. So you won't really need to pay for it. Give it a shot. But if you're importing from Evernote, watch this video again. It'll save you a lot of frustration. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, be sure to give it the like and subscribe. And of course, I will see you in another video again real soon. Take care.